nyo talaga alam na kung gaano kaimportante sa amin ang manok. Hindi lang yun basta manok. Alam mo yun, Jared. Tinatry natin ikumpleto ang 100% para lang kuha ng madaming supplies. Sabihin natin, 1 week, may gulay kami, may kanin. Kaya yung tiisin tiris. Magagawa nyo ng paraan kahit mag-ulam kami ng asin, tuyo. Kaya namin yun. Hindi kami magmamakaawa sa inyo para kunin lang ang buong manok. Kahit mag 20%, hindi kami magmamakaawa kung may kakainin pa kami sa labas. Tsaka at the first place, wala kayong manok dinala bago kayo pumasok dito.
Ano ba yung kinain ni Pastor?
Manok namin yung natira.
Sa susunod na issue,
Tungkol sa gamit, bakit parang yung mga gamit namin sa labas, pag ni-request nyo, kunin ka agad, basta-basta na lang ipasok dito. Pero pag kami ang nag-request dito sa loob, kung anong gusto naming gamit, hindi nyo mabigay.
Because the rice cooker was brought into here, there was another consensus vote of that majority made that we should keep the rice cooker inside here. You guys said your world is your world, which is why we kept all the stuff here to avoid any problems coming our way, if that makes sense to you guys.
Ano ba yun ginamit nyo the past few days? Di ba nakaluto naman kayo?
Wala, ma'am. Kaya namin magluto.
yun nga. Bakit? Ano bang sinasabi nyo?
Bakit kailangan nyo ang rice cooker? Kung marunong kayo magluto ng kanin sa ibang gamit, bakit nyo kailangan ang rice cooker?
Same question for you.
Hindi din namin kasalanan na pinatulog kayo sa labas at inalisan kayo ng mga gamit. Toiletries. Hindi namin kasalanan na nakapasok dito yung rice cooker.
Excuse me,
Even
hindi
the
nyo
chicken.
kasalanan. Bakit ba? Kung hindi kayo dumating doon, asan kami? Andito kami sa loob, hindi wala kami sa labas. Kung hindi dumating sa point na bumalik kayo dito, asan kami? Doon sa labas, ano kami, tanga?
Kasalanan ba namin na pinabalik kami dito?
For what? Sa spot? No way! You can't have our spot! Yun lang. Bakit ka natatawa? May nakatawa? Hindi. Kung akala mo makukuha nyo, hindi. Kasi ipaglalaban namin yan. Kahit hindi nyo pa ibigay lahat ng gamit ni Kuya, wala akong pakialam sa mga gamit. Minahal ko kayo na sobra-sobra dito. Minahal ko kayo.
You know, you should play your cards right.
Tama.
And we're just playing our cards right.
Kami din. Kaya, never nang bibigay yung spot namin.
Never ibibigay. Walang nakalagay, di ba?
Walang nakalagay, pero pwede namin ipaglaban, sabi ni Kuya.
Pwede din namin ipaglaban yun sa amin.
Wala akong paki sa mga flag niyo dyan.
And wala din kayong paki sa inyo.
Sa bagay.
This is a
enough.
competition.
Iniisip lang namin sarili namin eh. Ba't namin iniisipin yung ano nyo? Yung mga kapakanan nyo dyan.
ang susunod ay ang issue tungkol sa pagiging inconsiderate.
Alam naman natin, you guys were all housemates, so you guys experience what it's like to work hard to win the weekly budget. We thought you'd understand. Actually, at first, I tried to defend you guys and gave possibilities to everyone on why you're acting like this. Maybe because you had to do it, maybe you had a task, that's why you're acting like this. Pero when it came to the 80-20 point, that's where I couldn't make it make sense anymore kasi your attitude, so I was like, oh, what's going on? So that's my issue about inconsideration because I didn't feel the consideration sa hard work namin binigay for that chicken. I know it sounds shallow, chicken lang, but we worked hard for the chicken talaga because that's what we want.
When it comes to in consideration, we can say and we must say na we have to because like what Jaren said, this is our world and we have rules to follow and that's one thing now we need to stick about. The portion of the 80-20, siguro yung sa endpoint kasi namin, gusto namin marinig kung ano yung pinaglalaban kasi only JM and Binsoy lang yung naririnig namin. I know na it is your hard work but at the end of the day, nung nakabalik kami dito, it's really our call not to bring out the chicken anymore. When we were housemates, of course, we always fight for fairness and we are always fair to the people na kasama namin.
What are we to you now? Malayo na sa topic. Balik tayo
I
ulit.
don't think it's that far naman.
No, it's not that far. The majority of being considered is because of the bond we've made. I knew you guys. I treated you guys more than a housemate. I remember first week, I said, I can't believe I'm telling a bunch of strangers my story that I haven't really told anyone. Now that meron kayong sariling mundo, meron din kaming amin, you know, if I'm being honest, you know, we still think about you guys actually. And it's just hard for us to accept kasi porket na-evict kayo. How do you see us now?
Of course, in friendship, hindi nawawala eh. Pero, tandaan nyo, this is a game. Uunahin pa ba namin yung iba? Yung sarili namin? Eh, pumasok nga kami dito para sa sarili namin. Hindi para sa iba.
That's your answer? It's a game? What about after this? What are we? I'm just being for real.
That's up to you.
Ito yung genuine.
Kung pinersonal mo ba talaga. Kasi kami hindi namin pinepersonal.
Ay na, ako'y kuwan, pero 50 taon po.